Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iOS 16 lagging problem. If you have updated your device to the latest version like iOS 16 and it's lagging, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shutdown, and from here you have to slide to the right side, and then you have to turn it on and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if a palm still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open general again, scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So from here you have to manage your storage. So for that what you need to do is just simply delete some unused apps, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, and from here you have to tap on general again, and then you have to scroll it down all the way, and from here you have to tap on VPN and device management, and from here you have to tap on your profile, and then you have to remove your profile from here. Okay guys, from here you have to put your passcode and just simply tap on remove, and then you have to remove your profile, and then you have to install it again. Open settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and from here you have to install or download new update, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if upon success there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down from here, tap on general, scroll it down all the way. From here you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting. Here you have to put your passcode. So tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting. No data meter will be deleted, and after that you have to restart your device. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like them, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.